So I'm sorry that it has taken me so long to shoot the follow-up video to this really quickly done video I posted earlier this year, where I told you guys that you could connect the controller from the DJI FPV drone to the PC, or to Windows rather, and use it in applications like liftoff. Obviously, if you haven't noticed, I shot this video very spontaneously with bad sound settings. My microphone was way too low, sorry for that. And I never thought that the video would be viewed by anyone at all, but somehow I have gotten quite, at least for me, because I'm not a professional YouTuber, I've gotten a quite nice view number and traction on the video. So thank you for looking at this. So yeah, follow-up video to this, because I quickly want to address a couple of comments I got on the video. And basically the most questions I got is, or feedback I got, that it wouldn't work for everyone. And it seems like you have to register, or activate rather, the drone and the controller first. So that means if you buy just the controller, that wouldn't work. You need to buy the combo, the full kit, and update the firmware on the controller, the goggles, and the drone first. Connect it all and activate it, because once you connect it and register with DJI, then the drone gets activated, and maybe all the hardware gets activated, including the controller. There have been comments from people who weren't able to connect to the PC first, and then they registered and activated, and suddenly it worked. That's number one. Number two, the thing I failed to mention is you really just get the stick movement. You can't get the buttons to work on Windows. But luckily the sticks are all you need to practice in liftoff. So sorry about that, I failed to mention this. Yeah, so basically that's the most asked questions I had on the video. And final note, I was asked by one gentleman if I could make like a video to prove that training in liftoff would give you muscle memory for usage with the DJI FPV drone. That's not the case. At least I don't think you would, but I also don't think you would get this from the iOS app. So training with liftoff or simulators in general, it's to give you a basic understanding how things work with throttle control and everything, but it's a totally different story flying in the real world. So it's there for you to give you an initial way to practice how manual mode works, but yeah, of course you can't just transition smoothly from simulator to real life. Okay, and that's it already. If there are any more questions, new questions, comments, feel free to ask them below, and until then, happy flying. Bye bye.